Hemoglobin is an essential component present in the red blood cells. It contains iron and carries oxygen from our lungs and transmits it throughout the body. Normal hemoglobin levels varies based on age and gender as shown here. Abnormalities in the level of hemoglobin will have adverse effects on one's health. According to Global Nutrition Survey 2017, 51% of pregnant women are anemic. So there is a need to regularly monitor the hemoglobin levels of pregnant women, but people doesn't tend to go to hospitals regularly unless it is a serious issue, and rural people even doesn't have access to diagnostic centers. And also pricking fingers using invasive process is painful, and it is also a time taking process. So there is a need for a resource which can provide hemoglobin values non-invasively at any point of time at any place and gives the results instantly. So here comes our website called Anigo, which means anemia go. Among our body parts, fingertips, palm creases, and conjunctiva in the eye are the parts where effect of melanin is less. So performing image processing on these parts gives better results. We chose to work on the palm region. To train the model, we have collected around 250 to 300 palm images of people and also their respective hemoglobin values, and we built a linear regression model. We built our website with Flask. Coming to the working of our website, it initially asks the basic details like age and gender and instructs the user to focus his palm region to the camera and tightly close his palm by applying some pressure uh, at the wrist area. After 10 seconds, it asks the user to release the pressure and it captures the images. And then it gives the hemoglobin values instantly, and it also gives precautions if the hemoglobin level is abnormal. Coming to the live demo of our project.
Yeah, so I'm now gonna show how a code works and the main idea behind the code. So this works based on the machine learning and image processing. So it needs a data set with palm images. So as it is not available online in any online resources, we have built and collected our own data set. So you can take a look of some of pictures. And now I'm gonna run this. Raw code. This doesn't have any GI support. I'm just gonna run this. Yeah, so now the user needs to pick any subject in the sense we have to choose any of the pictures here to check the hemoglobin content of the picture. So yeah, so now I'm gonna choose some subject 99 at random. Yeah, so the result is low levels of hemoglobin. It means that the uploaded picture of the user, that user might have anemia. His hemoglobin level is low. And let's try this once again at any random subject 4. Yeah, so if his hemoglobin level is okay, he's good to go. So then his picture will also be displayed here. And this is the basic idea behind our app. It gives the hemoglobin level, and also with this message, if a person is, I mean, anemic, and then he gets the suggestions to build up his hemoglobin levels. And if now we're going to run this server, this will be our final anigo. Yeah, I'll just copy this link address, server address, and then paste it in the browser. Yeah, so we have our anigo open up here. Yeah, so to check the hemoglobin content, one has to be logged in this page, and this home path is any user can access something from here, like he can get to know why is hemoglobin important, causes of hemoglobin, and how to improve his hemoglobin level, and so on. So we'll just check a hemoglobin content, and for this I have to log in. So I'll just log in. If at all a user forgot his password, so then he can reset his password. I have an account with this Gmail ID, so I'll just request a password reset. Yeah, it says that instructions are sent to our mail. Yeah, so I have my mail opened up here. Yeah, we got a mail from manager.anigo. If we click on this link, we will be able to reset our password. Yes, so now we can log in. Yeah, so any valid email ID or any valid user account details will be displayed here. His username is his email, and if he chooses to update his picture, he can update his profile picture with any of the pictures available. Yeah, I'll just update a picture for you. Yeah, so now we'll just check the hemoglobin content. So for this, any user to check his hemoglobin level, he has to choose some picture. He has to upload his palm picture actually. Yeah, so I'll just open this images where we have this data set. Yeah, I'll just choose some picture at random. Yeah, let it be 55, and I'll just click on press. Yeah, so now it gives the hemoglobin value of the picture. It is the hemoglobin value of the user also, but the small thing left over here is the hemoglobin value is displayed for any user, but to check whether he is anemic or not, the gender is also important. The anemic condition is also dependent on the gender. For female, normal hemoglobin levels are different, and for a male, the normal hemoglobin levels are different. So that has to be taken care of, and that's the small thing left over here. And also, the another thing we are gonna improve is we are gonna make this as a payment model. We have to add that one thing for this. If for any user, the first 5 trials of this Anico will be free, and after that the user has to pay something to check his hemoglobin levels, and that is a small part left over here, and that will be done shortly. Yeah, this is the overview of Anico app. The main aim is to towards a world without anemia. Yeah, thank you.